Good morning. My name is George. I'm head trader for sukiasov.com, and this presentation of the market is brought to you by Cartel Club. So let's get to it. What to expect in the coming days, coming week, and what's market are doing right now. So what's most important here is right now S&P, where S&P is going, what is going to do in coming days. The thing is, markets are too nervous right now. They're too volatile, and yesterday we had a big sell-off on the market, and markets haven't decided yet which way to go. But I think that there is a big chance and very probability that will go down. There are lots of markers on the market that shows up, and the charts are telling us. The most important part is the charts. Please don't believe to anyone that there is a seasonality of S&P that's growing up. There is some premonitions. The stars are going in that direction. No, the charts are most important part, and charts are telling you where they want to go, and charts are the number one thing in the trading. So let's get to it. So we got here S&P 500, a daily time frame, and what to expect for S&P 500. Yesterday we had a big sell-off here on S&P. So we had there was a one level that if you've seen my previous video, I told you there is two levels here. The first level was this one. This is liquidity catch. Why liquidity catch? Because all the stops that buyers were coming in here, all these stops that buyers came in here, the stops were here. So this is one of the important levels. So we stopped here. There was a buyers trying to buy the dip. So what do we buy the dip and get second one for present. So this was a buying dip, and we had here sell-off, and we came to the next big level that I had on the chart. Let's discuss this level, what this level means, why this level, I took this level. And also, before I'm going to the lower hourly chart, I want to discuss about this. This is a volume, this is a yearly volume accumulation. So what is telling us, the yearly volume came up. So in the classical Wyckoff methodology, for traders, we do have here their distribution pattern. So what is distribution? There is two patterns. There is an accumulation that's going on the lower part of the chart, and there is a distribution. So accumulation is when someone is buying, and distribution is someone is selling and distributes already bought things, or they're going in shorts. So shorts, they accumulate short positions. Okay, so we're classically right now we're in distribution mode. There are big manipulations on the market. What's big manipulations here? We had here why I thought that we were going down. And everyone is telling me that, the market is going up. Why you think that it's going down? And everyone will like telling me, no, the charts are talking to me. Charts are telling me that this market is going down. Why? Because their volume that's came in for buyers here, the volume, and what we got here, we actually broke this volume. We sold off this volume, and the second time volume of the buyers came in, and second time we broke this volume, we got sellers here. So this told me that sellers stepped in, and buyers, even if they are coming with their volumes, high volumes, they couldn't renew the highs. So this is the important part. What to expect right now? Let's go to the hourly chart, and I'll tell you why I took this level. Oh, shoot, sorry. So why I took this level for most important one, and this got nicked here. See, it got nicked here, and after that came buyers. So let's see here. Why this level of support? So this level, when we came here, there was a sellers here. See, on this level, sellers. We had spring, like we dipped below this level. We catch liquidity. We came to this level of support. This was a resistance. See here? This was resistance. We broke off. We came in to test it, and it became support. We tested, and after that, buyers stepped in, and they actually continued buying, and this was resistance, and this became now support. Support level, because the buyers had a big volume of buying, so they actually made new highs here. So that's why I think this level is the most important level, and right now the buyers are coming in and they're buying the dip. But, and there is a big but, well, I'm telling you that. So let's see how buyers are going on and what do we have to expect right now. The buyers came in, but we have a light volume. What are we to expect? So there is a big bar of selling bar here. See, this is a big bar of sellers. What we can do, what sellers can do, the people who were actually shorting after big sell-off, they got stops here. See, the stops where we can, if I'm shorting here, right here, if I'm shorting here, if I'm shorting here, if I'm shorting here, where my stops will be? Like most safest part will be here on this test. This is a test of the seller. So this is the most best part to get on test. There will be a stops. So what big boys can do, see, they can go up, take this hole, stops, and then continue, go lower. No, this is one of their, if one scenario is that one, this is one scenario, we always must think of probabilities. So this is not the 100%. This may be 60, 70, 80%. We don't know. We'll know after the price will come to this level. But the second thing is, sorry about that, if buyers will actually go higher and sellers will be weak selling here and they couldn't renew the new lows, then there is a big chance we'll go up and we will go continue to renew new highs on S&P. So this is a second one. So right now we got two trading plan for this day for market. So first is taking these stops and going lower, but we must see how sellers will react. After buying, how sellers will react. If sellers will come hard and they will step in and they will go lower, then yeah, we can join them by shorting S&P. But if sellers don't come in and they are weak, then we can think about joining them and we can buy S&P and going higher. So this is my 2 cents about S&P today. I don't have, well, I see the market right now. I don't have other well, I don't have other stocks or or gold, oil, or something like that, because I'm right now I only concentrate on S&P because this is important part. If we break out here, there is one thing also here. See, on the daily chart, if we break out below this level, see, if we break out below this level, we don't have any support. One support is here, small support is here, but this is not a good one, so we'll break out lower and lower. So this means a downtrend, the big downtrend. What I think? Yes, we are in big downtrend. We can break up this support and we can go lower. But as a probability tells us, we must assume that this may happen, that we can go higher, we can take stops, and maybe sellers don't step in and we can go higher. This is a probability, and we must check every time the price comes to these levels. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.